Understanding the blinking orange amber light on your AirPods Pro 3. That blinking orange amber light on your AirPods Pro 3 charging case is a key indicator of the device's status. It's not good news like the white or green lights, which signal full charge or successful pairing. Usually, it means one of three things. Either the case is charging or has a low battery, there's an error state, or there are pairing problems. Specifically, the light may blink if the case can't charge due to a depleted battery, if there's a faulty lightning cable, damaged port, water damage, or a firmware update interruption. It can also signal Bluetooth conflicts during setup. Don't panic yet, but it's a sign to investigate further. First, ensure you're using the original Apple cable and adapter. Try cleaning the charging port with compressed air, as a clogged port is a common culprit. Next, force restart the case by holding the setup button on the back for 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, check for firmware updates in your iPhone's Settings app under Bluetooth, AirPods Pro, About. Keep your AirPods away from excessive moisture. If the problem persists, it could be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support for warranty replacement, especially if the issue arose after a firmware update.